Hare Krishna and Radhe Radhe. Today's video is about importance of preaching Krishna consciousness, and our acharyas, they have said that there is so much of need. There is what is lack, what the world is lacking of, is only Krishna consciousness, and that's why it's a small request for from me to you all that आपके पास social media है या कुछ भी है, just you can just put Krishna's picture or talk about Hare Krishna Mahamantra, talk about Krishna consciousness to your family, children. If one soul is also being saved by this movement, then Srila Prabhupada will be so happy with us. And that's why I want to tell you that don't do it. Don't preach for recognition or for your own benefit or for something. No, just do it for the pleasure of the Lord. I heard in a lecture that Prabhupada was saying that spiritual master is not supposed to make too many disciples, because he is getting hurt by all the karmas which he's taking, but still they are willing to do that. They're willing to go to hell for us just because they should go to Krishna, and for them I will be I'm okay to go to hell, but they should go to Krishna. And that's the consciousness. Just for the pleasure of the Lord, they are willing to accept hell also, just for their disciples to go to Krishna. And that's a Vaishnav's consciousness. Prabhupada says that there is only one moon and many stars. So it's like एक ही मून है, बहुत सारे स्टार्स है, बट वो एक ही मून सब स्टार्स को लाइट दे देता है. It's like that. So devotees also similarly like that one moon. There are millions of people on this planet. We are so fortunate. Everyone who is watching this video, आपको पता नहीं है कृष्णा की मर्सी लगती है, बहुत सारे जन्मों का पुण्य भक्ति नामस्मरण लगता है to just take Krishna's name, to just get Guru Maharaj in this lifetime. And we are so fortunate, just Radharani Krishna Maharaj's mercy, we are sitting here and we are understanding that there is a higher goal to this lifetime than just doing regular things, eating, sleeping, going to job or earning money or earning Lakshmi. ये सब तो sleeping, mating, eating, ये सारी चीज़ें तो animals भी करते हैं, but we have gotten this human body. Even demigods want this body so that they can chant and go back to Golok. So it's so precious. So that's why don't worry if you're preaching, if you're telling this, whether or not that person will understand. That's up to Krishna within his or her heart. Our service to Krishna for the pleasure of Krishna is just to tell them about this movement, about this Krishna consciousness, and make Krishna happy, Radharani happy. It's like मैंने सुना है, it's like even if you're preaching right now, I'm in this room, no one is in front of me. Even if you're preaching and this video, I don't know how many people will see it, how many people will like it, how many people will forward it to someone. What matters is you're talking about Krishna, you're glorifying Krishna. मैंने एक इसमें सुना है, it doesn't matter if you're giving a lecture or you're giving a class on Krishna consciousness and talking about the Lord, or glorifying your Lord, glorifying Krishna Radharani. It doesn't matter if there is no one in front of you. At least the walls heard it. That's it. That's enough. The walls are hearing it, and that's more than enough. So that just hit me. It doesn't matter how many people you attract. It's the consciousness. You're doing it for the pleasure of the Lord. At least the walls will hear, whenever you go down for a walk, when you see plants, when you see small ant or a plant or trees or some flowers, just go near them and just chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. You know, it's said that even if we chant the Mahamantra to these souls, Krishna's presence is there. Unfortunately, they can't chant the Mahamantra like us, but at least they get that benefit of just hearing that vibration of Harinam, Kirtan, and it's so powerful, So that's what I want to tell you. No matter how many people hear, millions of people hear you or get influenced by you and start getting into Krishna consciousness, or just one person gets influenced, but at least you're trying and keep on trying. And I request everyone to spread this towards your friends and family. Don't get shy. Don't get worried that what will people think. Going to Krishna is not easy. There will be so many people who will go against you. So many people will mock you. So many people will say, "Arey yaar," they laugh and say, "ये क्या भक्ति क्या है? मतलब ये एज में आप तिलक लगा रहे हो, कंठी माला पहन रहे हो, chanting कर रहे हो." So many people, I'll tell you by my experience, mocked me. People have mocked me that you'll regret this. What are you doing? You at the peak of your career, you're leaving your career, the money, the fame, of which my dad was retired at that time. I was the only person, but Krishna has given me so much mercy and blessings that I don't need to worry about that. But still, at that time, people just mocked me, and it just tested my patience and the want which I had for Krishna and Radharani. And you have to sacrifice for the Lord, and how you understand someone loves you is by the sacrifice they make for you, right? So similarly, you have to go through a lot once you come into Krishna consciousness. Start practicing bhakti yoga, and trust me, so many problems will come, so many people will be against you, so many people will talk something about you, but just realize that it's all worth it at the end. Krishna is watching you every single day, fighting for him. Krishna is watching you every single day, just being there for him, choosing him every day above Maya Devi. And one day is just going to be a one big hug from Krishna, and rest, it will be, there's a pleasure for fighting for Krishna, for crying for Krishna, for crying in separation for Krishna. लोग सोचेंगे रोने में क्या मज़ा है, अरे पर रोने में, कृष्णा के लिए रोने में, कृष्णा के लिए सेपरेशन में रोने में, कृष्णा के लिए फाइट करने में, कृष्णा को ग्लोरीफाई करने में जो मज़ा है, या जो हैप्पीनेस, मज़ा से ज़्यादा जो हैप्पीनेस एंड जो सेटिस्फैक्शन आपको मिलता है, आपके सोल को मिलता है, वो कहीं और नहीं मिलता है और कहीं और मिलेगा ही नहीं. So bhakti is all about not giving up on the Lord, not giving up on Krishna. Just be stubborn, kids, and say to the Lord that, Lord, I was stubborn enough. मैं ज़िद्दी थी कि मैं इधर आई, मुझे फ्री विल चाहिए था, इसलिए मैंने बहुत झगड़ा करके या stubborn बन के I came here, I put my foot down, मुझे आना ही आना है for my free will and independence. But now I'm becoming stubborn that I want to come back home. मुझे रियलाइज़ हो गया कि आप जो कह रहे थे वो सही था. मेरे लिए ये दुनिया बनी ही नहीं है. It's not for me. I am supposed to be with you, with our eternal family, and we have to show Krishna. अभी कृष्णा बोलेंगे कि मैं जब बोल रहा था तब आप सुन नहीं रहे थे. अब मैं कैसे मानूं कि आप सही में आप सीरियस हो वापस आने के लिए, और तो टेस्ट होगा, हर रोज़ टेस्ट होगा, till you show Krishna every day that you're very serious, very very serious. And opportunities आएंगे, टेस्ट आएंगे, दिस और दैट सिचुएशन आएगी, choices आएंगे. And if you keep choosing Krishna, keep choosing things, people, places, opportunities which only Krishna will like, and Krishna will be pleased by those services, keep doing every single day, whatever you do, keep doing it for the pleasure of the Lord and Radharani and Maharaj, and avoid certain material desires, certain Maya, aspects of Maya Devi, and keep choosing Krishna. I'm sure one day, certainly, that Krishna will give you a big hug, burn all your Sanchit karmas, and we can go back to him, and Maharaj will be very happy. So please try to spread this Krishna consciousness movement. And I know many questions come that the kaise karu main, I can't, how to deal with people mocking, and people will say something. We have to just realize that we are no one greater than them. I have heard Maharaj say that we are not great or above non-devotees or who have not started practicing bhakti yoga, but we are just more fortunate, and all we can do is that share this gift of Krishna consciousness which Krishna has given us by his mercy to them. And all we can do is just pray that Krishna in their hearts can activate that love for Krishna once more again, and they start becoming Krishna consciousness. When Prabhupada went to Pashat Desh, when he went to abroad, he had no idea how to change the foreigners' mind or hearts, because they were so much engrossed in all these four regulative principles. Like, they were against it. They have broken it, which we can't think of as a, our Indian culture. We don't think of doing that. But still, out there, the culture is different. So how Prabhupada, he was like, how can I convince them about Krishna consciousness, and how can I bring them towards Krishna? He used to pray to Krishna. Krishna, you're in their heart. They are your part and parcels. Only you can make them change their mind from their, in their hearts. By staying in their hearts, you can change their mind, their consciousness. That's what we can pray. You have no idea how fortunate we are listening to amazing lectures of senior devotees, and बहुत बहुत भाग्य लगता है to just chant and take Krishna's name. So let's not waste this opportunity and spread Krishna consciousness to all our friends, families, and everyone. So yes, Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe.